Hello and welcome back to our Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty from Clena and today we're discussing Multi-6. This is an all-purpose cleaner concentrate with a fresh lemon scent. It is ideal for removing soil, grease, grime and heel marks from synthetic floors. It is also suitable for use on water-washable surfaces such as doors, tables, tiles, walls and other non-porous surfaces. Multi-6 is suitable for use on flooring types such as rubber, lino, vinyl, PVC, sealed wood and sealed cork, as well as thermoplastic floors. It is not recommended for galvanised floors or unsealed wood and unsealed cork floors. Multi-6 is a concentrated chemical, so it will require diluting before use. With Multi-6 we recommend that you wear hand and eye protection. Now let's see how we dilute this product.
For light duty cleaning with a 750ml trigger spray, dilute at a ratio of 1 to 100. Firstly, fill up a trigger spray bottle with water and then dispense 1 pump of the Multi-6 into your trigger spray. Reattach the head and then rotate this twice to ensure that the solution is mixed and ready to use. To create 5 litres of solution for damp mopping or general cleaning, firstly fill your bucket with 5 litres of water and then dispense 3 pumps of Multi-6 into the bucket. This is a dilution of 1 part Multi-6 to 50 parts of water.
You can also use this product for spray burnishing and heavy duty cleaning. To do this you would dilute it at 1 part to 30 parts of water. This would be 250ml of Multi-6 in a bucket of 5 litres of water, for example. You can also use it for heavy duty degreasing, and for this you would dilute it as 1 part Multi-6 to 10 parts water. In this case it would be 500ml of this chemical in 5 litres of water. Multi-6 comes in a 5 litre container and the reorder code for this product is FR174. If you have any other questions about this product, please reach out, and don't forget that all the resources including data sheets, cost information and CSAs are all on our website at www.cleanasupplies.co.uk.